In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Google Calendar to be more like paper planning with colors and emoji stickers. If you've ever wanted to bring that personal touch to your digital calendar, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and transform your Google Calendar experience. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. On the left side of the screen, you will see a section labeled My Calendars. This area is where all your calendars are listed, allowing for an organized view of your various commitments. If you want to add a splash of color to distinguish between these events, that's the best part. You can easily do so. Next, click the three dots next to any calendar on that list. A palette will appear, offering you a range of colors to choose from. This simple change of color can be powerful in helping you visually separate different calendars at a glance. It's a subtle but effective way to bring a bit of the paper planner vibe into your digital space. But maybe you want even more customization. Well, you can change the color for individual events too. To do this, right click on any event and select a new color from the options provided. This lets you prioritize or group events visually by urgency or category, helping you stay on top of what matters most. Now let's add some fun elements to our calendar. Emojis. When you're creating or editing an event, you can add emojis directly to the event title. On a Mac, you can use the emoji picker by pressing Command and Control and then space. On Windows, simply press the Windows key and period. Choose from a wide variety of emojis to add personality to your events, making planning more engaging and lively. For those of you managing multiple facets of life, consider creating separate calendars for different areas, like work, personal, or hobbies. Assigning them unique colors will give you a clear perspective on where your time is going. This color coding system can mimic the effect of using different highlighters or sticky notes in a paper planner. And here's a nifty trick. You can toggle these calendars on or off in the sidebar to focus on specific parts of your life. If you're just looking at your personal appointments for the day, simply hide the others, and your calendar view will clean up instantly. Finally, let's discuss themes. While Google Calendar doesn't have an extensive range, you can still toggle between a dark or light mode theme. A simple change in background can significantly impact how you feel while organizing your day. By following these steps, you can infuse a bit of charm and individuality into your Google Calendar, mirroring the detail and personality of a traditional paper planner. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips inspire you to bring a fresh and personalized approach to your digital planning.